Remember, there's no such thing as too spicy for Thai people. This sausage got some kick to it. It's delicious. And we still got more patties to make. 2.5 kilo. Spicy. It's aroy mak mak. Pet gadai. 2.5 kilo. 5 kilo. Altogether, tong mo, 5 kilo. Where's the pork with the Thai kick to it? Where is it? It's here. 2 double batches, 10 cups of flour each. Homemade biscuit mix, dry mix, and then frozen shredded butter. Getting ready to blend in the butter with the dry mix, and then add the milk and a couple other things, and it'll be ready to roll some dough. And yes, it's frozen. You can almost see the steam coming off of it from the freeze. You put your dry mix in the freezer for an hour, shred your butter, and then put it on top, mix it around a little bit, and let it freeze. Now we're working with cold product. It allows you to blend all that butter really easy into that flour, right? Okay, stay tuned. A lot of work for an old man. Let's try this little one here. Oh, falling apart, falling apart. Just like Mama used to make. Buttery, savory. Oh my God, they're so perfect. They're light, moist on the inside, crispy on the outside. Put them in a little sealed bag here. Kind of retain the moisture while I'm waiting on the sausage. Sausage is fully cooked, warming up. Got 2 big batches, two big batches, large size, thick, big size. And I got 70 biscuits total, 70 big old biscuit sandwiches. I cut some smaller ones. If I'd have made them this small, like mini sandwiches, I'd have had over 100. Oh, they're perfect. It's got a little top, just a little top of a crispy one. Put a little honey on it. So good. Oh my God, Colby cheese, homemade spicy sausage. Are you kidding me? Let's try this one right here, shall we? Homemade sausage and Colby cheese. Be on the biscuit with some egg here in a minute. Let's just try this. It's got that kick on the back end, those Thai chili peppers. Oh yeah. Hot, hot, melt in your mouth, deliciousness. Ooh, baby. Now I did half of them with sausage, egg, and cheese, and the other half with just sausage and cheese. Made from scratch, Southern style, Angel buttermilk biscuits. Woo, doggies. Ah, it's too hot to eat. Woo, but there it is. Ah, yeah, success, Ameritai. You see, my mom used to make these beautiful things. Homemade biscuits with sausage. We didn't usually have cheese. We were too poor for cheese. We raised our own pig, so she'd grind up some pig, and then when those boys would go fishing, she'd put a sausage biscuit there, wrap it up like that, and you stick him in your pocket. Man, you're good to go. You can fish all day long and then stop and have a... oh, it's so good. So good. Turned out to be 75 total biscuits today. Half with sausage, egg, and cheese, and half with just sausage and cheese. But that's how you do it, man. Wrap them up. They're nice and warm. Little buttery top. cheesy. Oh my. What I like to do is a touch of honey. Ooh, baby, that's a sandwich now. That's one of them there sandwiches. Yummy.